welcome to WiZdom Ed channel. This channel is dedicated to CET, NEET and JEE aspects. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important and basic chapter of chemistry, which is some basic concepts of chemistry. So today's topic is development, importance of chemistry and nature of matter. So let's start. So our first question is, chemistry was not studied for its own sake. Rather, it came up as a result of search for option A, philosopher's stone, B, elixir of life, C, paras, D, all of the above. So they are asking us what was the reason behind the development of chemistry. So our first option, which is philosopher's stone, explains us that we can prepare the precious metals like gold using some of the base metals like iron and copper. And option B, which is elixir of life, it is a chemical potion which grants eternity or immortality. And option C, which is paras, is the one more name given for the philosopher's stone. So these were the two reasons, which is philosopher's stone and elixir of life, were the two reasons which gave rise for the development of chemistry. So the answer for this question is D, which is all of the above. So our second question is, which of the following is not described in Charaka Samhita? Option A, preparation of nitric acid and oxides of copper, tin and zinc. Option B, use of various parts of plant for the preparation of aswas. Option C, preparation of perfumes and cosmetics. Option D, use of plasma of metals for the treatment of animals. So they are asking us which of the following is not described in Charaka Samhita. First we look into what is Charaka Samhita. Charaka Samhita is an ancient Indian Sanskrit text which mainly deals with Ayurvedic diseases, and it was written by Charaka. So as this is dealing mainly with the Ayurvedic diseases and the formation of medicines for the Ayurveda, so the option C, which is preparation of perfumes and cosmetics, will not come under Ayurvedic medicines. So hence the following which is not described in Charaka Samhita is option C, preparation of perfumes and cosmetics, whereas preparations of perfumes and cosmetics was described in Brihat Samhita, which was written by Varaha Mira. Third question. Who among the following was the first proponent of atomic theory? Option A, Acharya Kanda. Option B, Chakrapani. Option C, Nagarjuna. Option D, none of the above. We all are popular and we know about two main popular English scientists, which is Democritus and Dalton. Before Democritus and Dalton, there was an Indian philosopher who gave us atom was the smallest indivisible particle, and that was Acharya Kanda, who was famously called as Kannada Muni. He called atom as Anu, and he was the first person who gave us the atomic theory. So the right answer for this question is option A, Acharya Kanda. So the next question, the two effective drugs which act as life-saving drugs for cancer therapy and AIDS victim respectively are, your options are A, AZT, which is azithromycin and Taxol. Option B, Taxol and cisplatin. Option C, Taxol and AZT. Option D, AZT and cisplatin. We know that cancer can be treated by using two drugs, which is cisplatin and Taxol. And the one more, which is for AIDS, the drug which was introduced to treat the AIDS are, which is AZT, which is azithromycin. In our question, please observe here, initially they have asked the drug for cancer therapy, and second they have mentioned the drug for AIDS. So we have to select an option in such a way that our first answer should correspond to the cancer therapy and the second answer should correspond to the AIDS victim. So as cancer therapy is given at the first, so we are going to look into the option C, which is Taxol, where Taxol can be used to prevent the cancer diseases, and option B, second part, which is AZT, can be used to treat AIDS victim. So the right answer is option C, which is Taxol and AZT. Next, which of the following experimentally hazardous refrigerant responsible for ozone depletion in the stratosphere? Option A, CFC, which is chlorofluorocarbon. Option B, CFM, chlorofluoromethane. Option C, CIC, chloroiodocarbon. Option D, CIM, chloroiodomethane. They are asking us which among the following is very hazardous for the ozone depletion. We know that chlorofluorocarbon is something which is very hazardous for the ozone layer, and it starts depleting the ozone layer. If the ozone layer starts depleting, the UV rays which is coming from the sun is directly going to penetrate into human beings, and it can cause skin cancer and irritation. So the option is CFC, and CFC is usually generated from refrigerants and propellants. Thank you. And these questions were cited from NCERT publications and Aryan publications.